Before you buy SitesGPT, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, as I'll be comparing it to other top competitors and sharing insights that could save you time and money. First off, SitesGPT isn't just another website builder. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to automate and optimize their website creation process. Let's dive straight into it. SitesGPT is built to generate sites quickly, saving you hours of work compared to traditional website builders. While competitors like Wix and Squarespace offer ease of use, SitesGPT uses advanced AI to personalize and streamline the design and content creation process. This can significantly reduce the time you typically spend customizing each page. Next thing, let's talk about the user interface. Some website builders can be overwhelming with their endless options and steep learning curve. But SitesGPT is designed with simplicity in mind, making it beginner-friendly while still offering powerful features for advanced users. Whether you're a complete novice or a seasoned developer, SitesGPT's intuitive dashboard means you won't waste time figuring out how to use the software. Compared to the likes of WordPress, which requires plugins and additional technical know-how, SitesGPT keeps things straightforward. The third thing, sites built with SitesGPT are mobile responsive out of the box. This is crucial in today's digital age where mobile traffic makes up the majority of online visits. While other website builders offer mobile-friendly templates, SitesGPT's AI automatically adjusts the layout based on user behavior, ensuring the best experience no matter the device. This is something you don't see in every competitor. The fourth thing to consider, SEO optimization. Many website builders like Wix or Shopify come with basic SEO tools, but SitesGPT goes a step further by automatically generating SEO-friendly content tailored to your target audience. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're not an SEO expert. With SitesGPT, you get optimized headings, meta descriptions, and keyword-rich text that aligns with best SEO practices. Next thing, let's discuss customer support. SitesGPT offers a comprehensive support system that includes live chat, tutorials, and community forums. While platforms like Weebly and GoDaddy are known for having helpful customer service, SitesGPT's AI-driven support is available 24/7, providing instant responses to your questions. This level of support makes it a great choice for business owners who want to build their site without worrying about troubleshooting issues at inconvenient hours. The sixth thing you should know is the pricing structure. Unlike other software that charges hidden fees or has limited features under cheaper plans, SitesGPT is transparent with its pricing. You get a lot for your money, with access to premium features even at entry-level tiers. Plus, if you're uncertain, you can try SitesGPT completely free through the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test out the software and see how it compares to others. And finally, the seventh thing, SitesGPT is constantly evolving. They release regular updates, integrating feedback from users and advancements in AI. If you're comparing it to other static website builders like Squarespace, which doesn't offer as much flexibility in terms of updates, SitesGPT's forward-thinking approach keeps it at the forefront of the industry. This means your website will always be up to date with the latest trends and technologies without you having to manually tweak it every time something new comes out. So, if you're ready to take your website to the next level, SitesGPT is a great choice. Click the first link in the description below to try it out for free and get exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. SitesGPT could be the game changer you've been looking for.